Hi guys, this is Jasmine and welcome to Excited for Coupons. I'm going to be sharing with you the best deals we have for CVS July 29th. I already showed you the preview, the ad preview pretty early on, but I'm going to be sharing with you those that I was able to see and confirm those coupons that we're expecting on some of those inserts that we're getting this Sunday. So let's just get started. We're going to see in the ad some good deals, mix and match in order for you to receive 10 off or 10 ECB when you spend 30. And I'm going to share a few scenarios in case you want to purchase those items. For example, you could get the Pantene Head & Shoulder Tide Pods and the Crest, and that will total to $31.93. You could use some coupons we are expecting on the P&G this Sunday, and also in the CVS app. So you use those coupons, $4 for the Head & Shoulder, $1.50 for the CVS app for the Pantene, $5 for the Pantene, $2 for the in the CVS app for the Crest, and $3 off for the Tide Pods. After all those coupons have been deducted, you pay $16.43, you get back 10, giving it a total of $6.43 or just 92 cents each. The next idea is buying Tide and Pampers. So you buy 2 Tides and 2 Pampers, giving you a total of $29.86. Use a coupon for the Pampers, deducting off 4. That's what I was able to see in the P&G. And $3 deducting for the Tide Pods. You can use 2 coupons. In the register, you pay $19.86. But make sure you do read the instructions and the limit of each coupon since they continue to change. If they qualify, you could do this on a trip and you get back 10 ECB, which your final price will be $9.86 or $2.47 each item. Here's another idea, mixing the Tide Pods with the Pantene and with the Febreze. You have to make sure you do read for the Febreze because it does specify that the retail price has to be, I believe, $3.99 because they're going to be on special for $2.99. And there is a coupon that we're expecting also in the P&G, buy one, get one. So here's an idea where you could do buy 2 Tide Pods, 4 Febreze, and 3 Pantene. Use the coupons from the CVS app for the Pantene deducting 5 and the buy one get one as well. Don't forget to select in the CVS app the coupon that we all should be getting, $1.50 off 3 for Pantene products, and also use the Tide Pods coupons. In the register, you pay $15.36 after the 10 ECB. It will be 60 cents each item. For the Irish Spring deal idea, this is if you have that CVS ECC, which is the extra care coupon. As you can see in the picture, 2 off 8, but if you didn't get any body wash, it will be, I believe, like $149, which I think is going to be the same price for Walgreens for the same week. So what you could do is buy 2 for 8. Use 2 coupons that we got from last Sunday's paper, and there is also a printable in case you didn't get that coupon. You could use that coupon from CVS. You pay 4, you get back 3 ECB, making it 50 cents each item. This is a great deal. It's buy one, get one, and the other one will be 50% off. So here's an idea. You could buy 4, and the price starting will be $5.29. The other one will be $2.65. So combining all 4 will be $15.88. You could use 2 coupons deducting off 3, and we usually be getting those coupons from once you scan your card in the red box, deducting $2 when you buy 2 tampons or pads. If you have that coupon, you could use it and pay $7.88. You get back 3 when you spend 12, making it $122. But the deodorant sure is going to be priced as $2.49. There's a coupon that we're expecting this Sunday on the Smart Stores, the second book, $4. So you'll use that coupon. You pay $1.49. You get back 1 ECB when you buy 1, making it just 49 cents. This is a new item that we keep seeing promotion about, and I just saw that Ibotta has an offer for it, and now there's going to be a coupon that we should be expecting. So this is an idea. You could buy 2 for it. They're going to be 6 each, so it'll be $12. Use a coupon deducting 2. So in the register, you pay 10. You get back 4 ECB when you buy 2. You could submit it to Ibotta, but make sure that you have the app. And if you don't, I'm going to share that information in the description box. And also, if you do have the Ibotta app, make sure that you do have that rebate and activated before purchasing this item. You get back 2 ECB for each item, making it a final price of $2 or $1 each item. This item is going to be on special, which is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. It's going to be the price $4.29. There's a coupon that we're expecting, I believe, on a Smart Source for this Sunday, $7.29. If you use that coupon, you get on the register, you pay $3.79, and you get back 2 ECB, making it $1.79. And you could do this up to 3 times. Tresome's deal is buy 15 get 5. So what you could do is buy 4 since the price is going to be at 4, and right there your total will be 16. You could use 2 coupons deducting $3 each. So in the register you pay 10. You get back 5 ECB, making it $5 or $1.25 each. If you have any extra care coupons that when you scan the red box in the red box machine, you scan your card that's specified for Tresemme or hair care, this is a good time to use it and you'll save even more. Maybelline Cosmetics is going to be buy 2 get 5, and if you still have that coupon that you see in the picture that it printed last week for any Maybelline item, this is a good time to use it. What you could do is buy a foundation and a single eyeshadow. Use the coupon for the foundation and use that coupon that is shown there that we received last week. You pay $6.98, you get back 5 ECB, and your total will be $1.98 or just 99 cents each item. Here's another idea. What you could do is buy 2 of the single eyeshadow, since you have to do is buy 2 items to get back 5. So if you buy 2 of the single eyeshadows, use that coupon that we received from CVS. If you still have it available, you pay $4.98, but you get back 5 ECB, making both items free. I'm going to be sharing different ideas depending on the coupon that you do have. Last week, it printed last Sunday, the coupon that you see there, $2.50 Colgate total. It says Optic White and also say mouthwash 16 ounce. I'm going to be sharing you this idea in case you could use this coupon and you still have it available. And so what you could do is buy 1 of the Colgate mouthwash for $3.99. Use that coupon that printed last week. Use the printable, or if you have the coupon that came in last week, insert for $1. You pay $74, you get back 2 ECB, making it free, and $1.26 moneymaker. Just make sure that the coupon does apply with the item. If you have this coupon instead, 2 of 5 Colgate toothbrushes or mouthwash, then what you could do is buy 2 of the Colgate. Use that coupon from the red box machine if you received it. Use 2 of the printables, or in case you received that coupon, deducting off 1. And you pay in the register $4.48. You get back 2 ECBs for each item. So that's a total of 4, making it 48 cents for both items or just 24 cents each. Here's another idea for the remote lip liner, since it's going to be National Lip Day, and this is a good idea. You could buy 2 of the lip liner, use 2 coupons, deducting 1 each. You pay $6.50, you get back 5 ECB, making it $1.58 or just 79 cents for each lip liner. Here's another lipstick deal. This is for the Revlon Color Burst Lip. You could buy 2 for $7.99. That's the price that I saw in the store. So the total will be $15.98. You could use 2 coupons that specifies, I think it's for lipstick, deducting 2 each. So you pay $11.98. At the end of the receipt, you receive 5 ECB for buying 2 items, giving you a final price of $6.98 or just $3.49 each item. Continue with lipstick, since it's National Lipstick Day on Sunday, the 29th. I really like this deal. I really like certain lipstick, and this one is really good. As you can see, it could be very pricey when you buy 2. It will be $11.98. There's no coupons needed, but let's say you do have that coupon, deducting 3 off 12, you could use it in this case and it will be free. But if you don't have any coupons, this is okay. You could just pay $11.98. You get back 10 ECB for buying 2, making it $1.98 or just 99 cents for each item, which is a pretty good deal. And let's continue with another lipstick from Neutrogena. What you could do is buy 2 of that lipstick. That is the lowest price I've seen, so the total will be $15.98. Use 2 coupons, deducting 2 each. You pay $11.98, but you get back 5 ECB when you spend $15. So your total is $6.98 or just $3.49. And I'm going to share another lipstick idea from Milani. I'm sharing this deal because we normally don't see that many Milani offers, or in this case an ECB, and even though it's not that much, but in case you're keeping your eyes for this brand, I think this is a good time to get it, especially if you have that coupon 3 off 12. You could use it at this time. So buy 2 lipstick, so for $6.29. Your total will be $12.58 in the register. You get back 3 ECB, making it $9.58. I know it seems a lot, but this is a pretty good brand, or just $4.79 each. CoverGirl Lash Blast was in the ad as a promotion on its own. So if you want to take advantage of this offer, what you could do is buy two. Your total will be 16. Use two coupons. There was also some printables before that you could deduct $4 or $2 when you buy one item. And in the register, you pay $12. You get back 5 ECB when you buy two, making it $7 or $3.50 each. Here's another Milani offer, and I'm sharing it like I mentioned. It's a really good brand, and it's rare that you see a deal. At least you're getting 3 ECB. So what you could do is buy one or the other. It could be the foundation or the setting spray. They're both really good items. In the register, you pay $10.49. That's the price I saw in my store. You get back 3 ECB when you buy $10 worth, and your total will be $7.49. For Wet n Wild, here's an offer for the blush, but also for kind of like a new palette we've been seeing, and there's a range of colors from Wet n Wild. So what you could do is buy two of the blush, that is, I seen the price for $2.99, and buy one of the color eyeshadow palette, the mini one, for $3.99. So your total will be $9.97. You could use 3 coupons that we're expecting, that is for the face. Hopefully that one does qualify for the face. So if you're able to use it, you pay in the register $6.97, you get back 5, and your total will be $1.97 or 66 cents each. I say that because sometimes some certain CVS may not include eyeshadow for face, and sometimes it does. So before you purchase that item, just check in your register to see if that coupon does apply in that store. Those are some of the best deals we're expecting this Sunday. A lot of those coupons we will be getting this Sunday as well. So be ready to also start getting your inserts ready. Also, there's some that are printable. I'm going to share that in the description box in case you didn't receive some of those coupons, so you can print them and don't miss on those great deals. I hope you really like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So thank you so much for watching, for your support, and happy savings. Bye.